have the knowledge out there in terms of imaging modalities, the textual reports, and there have been like some recent research on like how can we summarize all the scientific knowledge from diagnostic to prognosis and summarize it to a layman knowledge of even an 8th grader. And I mean, people are actually working on that and trying to see if the knowledge that is initially retained in the clinical reports is still holds true when you are summarizing that using ChatGPT and other tools. So possibly, I mean, under like these tremendous clinical burden that different clinicians go through, I think these new outcoming tools, ChatGPT and all, can be quite useful in terms of summarizing these texts. But having said that, I think we need to have certain guardrails in terms of, given that all these tools have been trained using data coming from the internet, which is largely not accessible to many of the population. So for example, if we want to like deploy it in Mexico or like in any of the population which is actually which are not native English speakers, so we need to check like if the translation is correct and the summarization that is happening in this translation is also correct. So yeah, I mean, from a technological standpoint, I think these tools have like ChatGPT or like other generative tools have tremendous power, and they can be used for summarization to layman audience, including patients. I mean, in terms of advancement, I feel like the recent upcoming of these large language models have been one of the game changers in the field of machine learning and AI. And I mean, in terms of having these multi-modal nature of these language vision models is also really helpful. Not just because they can learn this translation from the vision space to the language space, but also because they kind of have this memory coefficient with them, which can actually learn all the past given knowledge, and we can generate something new. We can have MRIs, we can have OCTs, and we can have textual reports, and clinicians might be focused more on the textual reports, the clinical reports, and might be missing out certain aspects in the OCTs and in the MRIs. So finding out this interconnectedness between the different modalities and trying to link them is actually one of the challenging factors. And then like imbibing knowledge from all the different modalities and like integrating them into one and translating that to the patient population could be another thing.